Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzy here with the Alienware M16, not an entirely new product, we saw it last year, but it has undergone a significant redesign. Now, the goal of this, while overall looking the same, is to get it more compact. If you're not as familiar with the M16, the main thing that's been taken away is this rear thermal block. It's a pretty significant change. It's stuck out a good few inches, so the overall footprint is definitely smaller. Obviously, that comes with some thermal and design concessions. There's less room for thermals and cooling, so this laptop, unlike the past M16, tops out at an RTX 4070. That's still a high-performing GPU, but it doesn't go beyond that up to the stack 4080, 4090, although Alienware's X16 does offer that scale if you like the screen size but want more power. Now, the good news is that the 4070 on this compared to the old one is the same TGP, so you're not getting an inherent power reduction overall if you do stick with the same GPU. It just can't scale up even further beyond that. Now, one of the cool additions on this laptop, literally, is stealth mode. There's a dedicated button to switch this laptop into stealth mode, which will turn off some of that RGB bling. Maybe you want to go in class, you don't want it to look like you're screaming that I'm a gamer, screaming that this is a gaming laptop. Turn the blacklight to one color, lower the fans, it puts it on the cooler performance mode. When you're gaming, obviously you can hit that, turn on high performance mode, or manually tweak these in Alienware software settings. With a discrete button to do that quickly, maybe you forgot, you arrived to class and it's making noise, it's bright, you can just turn it off, click of a button, stealth mode. It's a good name, it does what it says. Other laptops will get access to stealth mode within the software, but the dedicated button is a pretty nice inclusion for this laptop that kind of bridges the gap between the super high performance and the more portable general use laptop, because not everyone's gaming all the time. For more on this laptop, Alienware's other announcements, and more from CES 2024, check out PCMag.com.